that's cool.
Oh, look at that leg action. Nice layout. That's commitment right there. All right, Team 1 has 4 men. All right, Team 2. Leading off, it's Morgan, the pride of Coppell, Texas. All right, there goes Morgan. Good speed. Oh, 1 pin.
Dude, I want to do it. How do you sign up?
I don't know.
All right, you see our promo stand party.
Playing some kick the skin, hits, bowling.
Time for the bottom of the frame. Here's Derek.
Oh, shopping shit.
Gonna add to Team 1's totals here, hopefully. There goes Derek. Come on, Derek. That's a total of 5 wins for Team 1. That leaves quite an opening for Team 2.
Awesome. Maybe they're all missing. It's rigged.
All right, our final contestant is Mike from Frisco. Mike, you gotta get at least 5 pins.